Well, this is our last day of filming in the workshop at the Flea Market Flip Show. So, what do I do when I go there to work? Let me show you what I do. Toolbox. I just sit it down between these cleats.
Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter.
These are the shirts I wear. Although in the dark, the shirt looks pretty clean. This is where it all happens. Then the Old Spice. Nice big splash. Wet your hands. Go like this. It goes. Nothing wakes you up more than that. Brennan, he's had his hands under probably more people's shirts than anybody I've ever seen. Right?
Yeah, mostly that.
Right, so yeah, well, we won't say that too long.
Screwdrivers, squares, tape measures over there. We're going to need like a little piece of hardwood or a little sort of accent thing. We have these like sticks in it.
We're putting hen and chicks in the chicken coop.
Oh, that is rich. That is rich. And then even
I want to know, can we do it this each color?
We can do whatever you like.
Yeah.
I trust you completely on this.
All right. Starting from the beginning. Here we go, guys. And 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. All right. What do we have here?
Can work on this. It's a piece of no, just inches.
it's not going to be a piece of copper.
Let's start over with this. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Great.
No, Joe, we need that back.
And Mark, could you do that noise again when it's going down into the
Sure.
This is what you don't want to eat, please.
No pictures, no pictures. Oh.
Welcome to Flea Market Flip. My name is Sam Salerno. I'm a big fan of Mark DeVito. He's the best!
Our stuff to eat for lunch.
Hey! Hi!
This is everybody that's going to be eating it too.
Barbecue!
We do that again?
Colors change. The time paint is going on. We got to fill it first time. So.
The crowd goes wild!
Oh my God! But Alex is going for the Old Spice Challenge. He knows the procedure. The wetting of the hands. The application of the Old Spice. And the smack.
The last time I was here.
We're wide awake, right?
We're awake now.
Works every time.
All right, how's everyone feeling? Good? Yeah. All right, any other questions?
Let me swing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words,
The last project still getting put together. Nah. Gigi, my girl. There goes David over there. David Dahl, the metal guy. Here's Alex finishing up his spray. Now we just got to clean up this room, right? There's David Dahl.
Yeah, just I have to.
The men on the mission.